Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, September 20th, 2010. Today we had a total of 3 executable trade signals for a max potential of 22 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan, daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right around 11:24, and you can see the market was trading down before the open and actually started pulling back right as the open happened. We were still in a position where we had a valid short signal. So if you took that short, that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 6 ticks as the market moved down and closed its half gap and eventually found support at the pivot. Now, some rule sets and depending on how you trade, you might just be sitting out this first 15 minutes of the market or so, and that's a fine thing to do. And if you sat out, you did not get that trade, but there was a valid signal right after the open. Again, the market found support off of that pivot, had a nice bounce up, actually went right into a signal long at right after the 10 o'clock news. Again, during the news announcement, you have to wait for the news to come out. The news came out, and for about 3 minutes after the news, it gave you an opportunity to get in this trade, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 10 ticks. And as you know, the market just really climbed after that. There was opportunities to trail that trade. It went through the previous day's high. You can see the moving average acted as support all the way up. The market just kept climbing all the way into our lunchtime dead zone. No other morning opportunities. Now, between 11:30 and 1:15, the red area you see on your chart here, this is what we call the lunchtime dead zone. We do not initiate any new trades during this period. There was a setup coming out of the dead zone. We were looking to get long. The market did not move high enough to give a valid signal right after that, but then you can see there was this pullback, and that actually allowed us to reset our anchor point, gave us an opportunity to get long coming right out of lunch, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 6 additional ticks. And then the market again just climbed right away and picked up some momentum there. So 3 setups, 3 opportunities, 22 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.